Hello, this is Chef Devinder Kumar, Executive Chef from Meridian, New Delhi, and I'm also the President of Indian Culinary Forum. Let me talk about this Regal Kitchen brand, which was launched way back in 2008, and they have been doing exports in various countries in the world. They have more than 50 products, starting from ready to eat, ready to cook instant mixes and instant meals. You know the advantage of these products: convenience, cost effectiveness, consistency, and hygienically prepared. I will show you how to use a tomato based gravy. This is a pouch of tomato makhani based gravy. Very popular, as in Indian cooking, tomato plays a very prominent role. So, tomato makhani based gravy, for better results, I would recommend that this concentrated tomato makhani gravy can be churned in a blender for smoothness, which I've already done it. So, to proceed further, take a pan or small saucepan or patili. Take required quantity. The rest can be refrigerated for use later. It doesn't go bad. But I would like to mention here that don't leave base tomato makhani gravy in a pouch once it's open. You can put it in transfer in a bowl and store it. Okay, we heat this tomato makhani gravy and add water in equal quantity. The ratio of water and the base gravy is 1:1. So just imagine the volume increases, better smoothness, flowing consistency, and the consistency you can correct as desired. But you can use this tomato based makhani gravy as it is in various preparations in making non-vegetarian dishes, other whether it's a kadai paneer or vegetable makhani, or you're making rogan josh, or chicken tikka makhani. That's the gravy to be used. That's why we call it tomato makhani based gravy. Has a very versatile usage in Indian cooking and hassle-free. Keep stirring. Well, once the tomato makhani gravy is boiled, let me taste it. Absolutely fine. The tomato makhani based gravy as it is ready for use. Now, the dish which I'm going to be making with this tomato makhani based gravy is paneer makhani. To make this paneer makhani, we have the gravy ready. I need cream, kasuri methi, grated khoya, salt, butter, and of course paneer. Let me give you another tip. Of course, you can make a tomato makhani gravy and paneer together and call it paneer makhani. But you can also add white gravy, Regal Kitchen, white gravy to further enhance the taste and add more body to it. Some call it paneer shahi also, right? The only difference is that in makhani, the tomato makhani based gravy quantity is much more than the white gravy. Whereas when we call it paneer shahi, then it's vice versa. White increases and tomato is, it's 2:1. And now it's 2:1 is tomato 2 part, gravy white 1 part. Okay, so for this, very simple. We take a pan. So this base gravy is ready. You can make n number of dishes. Tomato gravy on medium heat. So here I've added 2 ladle of tomato makhani gravy. I will add some quantity of Regal Kitchen white base gravy. Stir it well on medium heat. Keep stirring. Reduce the fire. Add paneer into, you can cut it into cubes, you can cut it into slices, you can cut it into rectangular, you can cut paneer into triangle, absolutely to your choice. I suggest that don't make too big pieces. Let's check. I think that sounds good. Maybe a little bit more. Again, kasuri methi for flavor. Amazing flavor. Kasuri methi has so much of medicinal value, so much of flavor, aroma. Add a little koya for taste, and adding again body to the whole gravy. Keep stirring well. Let it cook on slow fire. Absolutely fine. Just to, at the last minute, before pickup, little cream. Not to forget butter, makhan, to actually add that makhani flavor. That's all. This is table butter. You can use white butter. Keep stirring slowly. See the shine, see the smoothness of this gravy. Take a serving dish. Switch off the fire here. Place paneer pieces. Beautiful flavor of kasuri methi. Zero wastage, absolutely zero wastage. Not to forget, before pickup, add a little cream on top, little kasuri methi. Here it is. Absolutely delicious paneer makhani prepared with Regal Kitchen tomato makhani base gravy. Looks appetizing.